Well, hello campers. It's Brandon here at Mericle RV in Fort Lupton, Colorado. Got a special treat for you today. It is a fifth wheel here on consignment. 2005 Peterson Excel 33 RSE. This thing is awesome. Very excited to show it to you. Would make a nice livable fifth wheel. Does have the skirting. You can kind of see those rivets on the sides. Pretty cool. Really impressed with it. It does have a gooseneck hitch on the front, but that can always be changed. So let's head on in and take a look. So 33 RSE, Peterson XL, definitely worth checking out. This is nice for, as I mentioned, full-timers, for somebody who's putting on their property, maybe while you're building a house. So when you walk in, you got the kitchen area and the middle area, which is kind of neat. Lots of nice storage. There's your cooktop, an actual oven, lots of cabinets, microwave. Pretty cool design. Refrigerator straight across on the slide. Dual slides here in the middle, so it's really nice and wide and open. You can see your freestanding table. That's really nice to see. Your fireplace, TV. Looks like it's got a Blu-ray player in there. Speakers. Love the ceiling fan. Sofa. Looks like they're recliners. Haven't messed with that too much yet. Probably also a bed. Lots of windows. Love that big rear window. How nice is that? Plenty of good natural light. Recliner. Nice little desk in the corner there, and I love that cabinetry. Very elegant, very good looking camper. Let's head on up here. So walking up to the bedroom area. See a slide out with the bed. Big closet. Another spot for a television. Love all of this storage. Look at all of those drawers. Lots and lots of great cabinet space all the way around. Tons and tons of room. And then some storage underneath. Love seeing that. Come across to the bathroom. Nice sink there. Nice vanity. Lots of storage. Shower with a little nice little sit area. And the skylight, of course. Check this out. You actually have a washer and dryer on board. How nice is that? Maytag and Whirlpool. Foot flush toilet. And more storage. So pretty cool. This is an amazing deal. I really don't think it's going to last too long. It's nice for a full-timer, especially if you just want to put this on some property somewhere, have a guest house, or maybe while you're building your own house. Definitely worth taking a look at. We only got the one here at Mericle RV in Fort Lupton, Colorado. 970-833-1395. 970-833-1395. 970-833-1395. Mericle, M-E-R-I-C-L-E, RV.com. M-E-R-I-C-L-E, RV.com. Well, thank you very much.